What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video, and today is Fat Boy Tuesdays. I'm down,
so please like this video, share this video.
13 pounds in the last month.
I'll see you
when I started.
Tomorrow. We'll probably have something to build on tomorrow.
Yeah, 13. I'm down 13 pounds in the last month and a half. And that's just doing steady, and that's just changing my diet, going back to more natural, more vegan, no more vegan junk foods, just not really working out like crazy like I used to. However, that's gonna change this month of May and June. It's time to go do cardio, yoga, back to doing martial arts again, and losing this weight again. However, Fat Boy Tuesdays, how I got so fat is by eating vegan junk food. You can't eat vegan junk food all day, eating bread and french fries and all that other bullshit that we eat. So you can get big and fat off of that. But I'm proud, down 13 pounds in a month. I probably could have been down 20 pounds by now, but you know, slow and steady wins the race. It's a marathon, not a race. And the thing about marathon, in life, it goes on. It just keeps going on forever. So don't be, I'm not mad at the 13 pounds. Like I said, I could have done more. But I'm doing great though. Can't complain. I'm alive. Just wanted to make a quick video real quick, how I got so fat. Like I said, you can get fat. Man, let me check. Let me go into this.
Misspeaking. I misspoke and said taxes.
And I'm back. And I got this this dope sticker. It says super dope yogi, love and light. I got it from a girl on Instagram. Yeah, she does yoga, and I decided to buy a sticker off of her just to help, you go in the community and you help them out. Instead of talking shit, critiquing and stuff like that, you support them by buying what they're offering. I didn't spend $1 million. 2 stickers was $2. So $2, I'm pretty sure, is nothing, but it's still supporting. I could have bought more stickers, but she said she ran out. So could have bought more. I might buy more in the future, depending how it goes, and just give them out and stuff like that. But like I said, everything's going great. Fat Boy Tuesdays, Operation 160 pounds. If you want to lose 60, if you want to lose 60 pounds, that's what the challenge is. 60 pounds down, and I'm down 13 pounds. So that makes it 47 more pounds to go on this weight loss diet. And yeah, time to go. Peace.